everyone, welcome to Discovery Natural channel. So today we are making Cassava Shampoo, also known as Yucca Root Shampoo. Cassava is something that I am from Nigeria, I'm from Africa. I eat cassava. I have recipes on cassava, which is also called Yucca Root. I have recipes, I have information on the benefits of Yucca Roots and the benefits of cassava. Everything, you can click that link over there. And I also have recipes on how to make a nice delicious casserole with it, so you can click there. I'm not going to go so much into the benefits for your body in this video, but I'm going to go into showing you how to make it and also showing you the benefits for your hair. I'm sure you're wondering, what is the benefits of Yucca Root for your hair? One benefit is it thickens your hair up, and it also helps with itchiness, it helps with hair loss, it helps with cleansing your scalp. Native Americans have been using it, they use it a lot. So today I decided to give it a try. So this is our Yucca Root, and when you want to cut it, I use a bigger knife to cut the ends. Okay, so after cutting it, this is what it looks on the inside, and this is a pretty big one. So I'm only going to use just a little bit of it for my shampoo. So about, I want to say about 4 inches of it. Now you can shave off the skin, or you can cut this into a smaller part. So let's do that. So once I've cut it into half, I'm going to get my smaller knife and I'm going to cut it this way. Now I have a full tutorial on my family channel, DN Vlogs Live. So you just cut half of it, just a little bit, so that you can lift up the cover. And you want to lift up the skin, and you see it comes in 2 layers. So you just want to lift it up like this. And this comes better than trying to shave it off, and it makes it all smooth. When you open up your Yucca roots, you want to, or your cassava root, you want to make sure that it's all white. If there's any brown spots on it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into smaller parts. So this is my juicer right over here. So I'm going to be using my juicer for extracting the liquid from the Yucca root, the cassava root. Most times people just pound this cassava and then just squeeze out the soap from it, or they'll use a blender and squeeze out the soap from it. But I go the easy way. I don't have time to do that and trying to squeeze out so much. So I'm going to be using my juicer. So this juicer is very strong, but I'm just going to go slow by slow, and then just put that in there, turn on my juicer. And the liquid will come through here. So this is the liquid that comes out. It's all white. Let's remove this. Looks like that, almost milky. And as you can see, this cassava liquid is separated from the powder thing. This is part of, but it's just pour everything in there. So let's just pour everything. It gives me 4 ounces of Yucca root. So I'm going to be saying Yucca and cassava. So I'm just putting that to my scalp. So just put that to your scalp, because that's the main focal area. And you don't have to mix this with any oils. You don't have to. You can also mix this liquid in your conditioner to help with the thickening. And now I'm putting it to the length of my hair like that. Someone that you are experiencing hair thinning and you're okay with DIY stuff, try this. It's a bit messy, as you can see. So try this out, see if it helps. You can put some along your edges also. Yeah, so don't expect super sod. Okay, this is not a super soddy treatment. Just massaging it, massaging it, massaging it. This is my hair after I washed it. So I will call this shampoo a mild shampoo. So if you have a ton of product buildup, this is not the shampoo for you. So I will say use this shampoo if you don't have a ton of product buildup, or if you want to use it as like after clarifying your hair or shampooing your hair to remove the product buildup, you can now use this shampoo as an agent just to help you with your hair loss, with thinning and all that stuff. But overall, this is my hair. My hair was not super dirty, but you can see it's not, this is just from when I applied it. It's not leaving an overcast my hair. My hair still looks really nice and really full. So give this a try. This has been used so many times. So after shampooing your hair or cleansing your hair with the Yucca shampoo, you want to use a moisturizing deep conditioner. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up and let me know, will you be trying out this Cassava shampoo or Yucca Root shampoo, Cassava Root shampoo, whatever you want to call it. Will you be trying it out? Comment below, let me know, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.